Greetings, beloved beings of light. I'm Paul White Gold Eagle with PrimeDisclosure.com. This is going to be a quick update on these great Earth activations and Ascension energies flowing in. It is April 10th, 2023, Moon Day. It's 2:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to begin with our local Solaris from SpaceWeatherLive.com. Now we have some massive energies coming in from the great central sun filtered through our local Solaris, our local star, with these massive coronal mass ejections and solar flares you can see here. Let me refresh real quick here. And many ascension symptoms are being reported all over the world from our starseed earth angelics, everything from pressure in the skull, stiff body, the body feeling stiff joints, back feeling like it's on fire. This is the solar energy, the fire energies, the kundalini energies rising up through the central channel, the Katika channel. And we're anchoring deep into the crystalline core. Many people also reporting vertigo, feeling dizzy, lightheaded. Of course, our daily bouts of exhaustion, we're feeling these energies as our DNA is transforming, our physical vessels are being upgraded. We're feeling all these intense energies ringing in the air, the typical higher frequency energies being reported all over this realm. So you can see here, as of 2:47 PST, look at the constant solar flares coming off of the sun. We had on the 8th, April 8th here, this 2.8 M-class flare, 2.8. Then you can see each one of these little spikes on this graph here. The C 9.1 almost M. This was on Easter Sunday yesterday, the 9th. We had many solar flares, and then we had another big spike here. Another 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 10.10 portal. Divine feminine energies are rising all over this realm. The new Lemuria energies, the divine mother, the feminine energies rising up to meet the divine masculine in the middle. This is the eagle flying with the Condor, Heroskamos, divine union, both internal and external. You could see one after another here. All these today, the 10th. It's my sister Victoria's birthday today. Let us all wish Victoria happy birthday back in Ohio. We have, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 C-class flares, and we're just getting started here at 5:10. That's the day the White Gold Eagle came into this realm, May 10, 73, 5:10, 10, synchronizing with the 2828 portal, 2828, 10:10. So we have the 5:10 energies. We have 5 elements, 10 organs in our body, and each organ is like a celestial body within our cosmos, our individual cosmos. Our physical vessel is a hologram of the whole universe, the whole multiverse. So we have from the sunspot, it's really building up 3276, released. It started at 5:10 and maxed out at 5:20, ended at 5:28. That was about, 18 minutes of activity through this massive flare. This is UTC time, 5:10 UTC. Then we did the most recent one here at 1849 to 1901 UTC, C 1.9. So you could see on this graph, if you zoom in, just consistent spiking. These are all the different colors here, are the different sunspots. So we have 2 major sunspots, 3272 and 3276. So let us know in the comments how you're feeling, what ascension symptoms you're experiencing today. These helps other star seeds to integrate these energies and know you are not alone. We are all in this together. We're all feeling these intense energies. Also, for the last week, every night we've been experiencing very intense and very very vivid dreamings as we journey to these higher dimensions, higher realms. So we have this new source of solar flares, possible CME impact. April 9th, it was a weak impact which did not spark a geomagnetic storm, but we have this M2 class on the 10th from the new sunspot. A pulse of extreme ultraviolet radiation from the flare ionized the top of Earth's atmosphere. You could see this is off of the sun's southeastern limb. You could see that wasn't Earth facing, but we're impacted by this intense energy. It's higher dimensional. We have the fifth dimensional energies fully anchored into the grid lines, into the dragon lines, to this pulse of extreme ultraviolet radiation. This is of the higher resonance beyond the violet of the electromagnetic spectrum. It's ultraviolet. It's ultraviolet, much higher frequencies. They ionize the top of Earth's atmosphere, causing a brief shortwave radio blackout over Australia and the Indian Ocean. So we're experiencing these energies flooding this realm with galactic cosmic waves of energy. This is the Schumann charge. Yesterday we had 45 hertz, 17 hours of blackout. You could see this big white spike, and then it was coming in here, another massive higher amplitude. These are higher octaves of frequency that the Earth is emitting. This is Mother Earth, Pachamama's heartbeat, the Schumann charts. This is from disclosurenews.it. And you could see here, if we scroll down, you'll see a close-up. See, we had this big blast of white light. This is fifth dimensional and beyond. We're bringing in the 7th and 9th, 12th, all the way to source of 13, divine goddess, divine feminine energy. So this massive whiteout here caused 18 hours of blackout, and we'll come over here to the current maps, and you could see this is their chart here. 35 hours of blackout. We are in the void energy. The void is the middle point, the still center, the divine neutrality. We travel through the void into heaven, into the non-physical, into the emptiness, into we call the great mystery, our true nature, a Buddha mind, Christos consciousness, or we could just say love, which is we're navigating between the worlds and we're anchoring in the cosmic energies, the Christos, the great mystery we call Wakantanka, the great spirit, through our physical vessels into earth to raise this realm to the new heaven upon the new earth. So you can see the charts are going insane here. A total blackout 35 hours. You take a look down here. Yeah, just 35 hours of blackout. Now we also experienced, this was 1:05, April 10th, UTC, which was last night, our local time, but 6:0. This was in Papua New Guinea. We reported on this in last night's transmissions. You could see on the Ring of Fire, the coast of Papua New Guinea here. 3.5, this is just 3 degrees due south of the equator here. You can see the equator here in the middle. This is like the middle dantian of Mother Earth, the elixir field, the field of elixir. This is like heart chakra. You can see there are a couple earthquakes, most powerful 6:0, 1:05 UTC, 3.5 latitude, 149 longitude. So we have very powerful activations. You could see one after another. 5.1 in Papua New Guinea, Afghanistan 4:0, Alaska 3:7, 37 into the 73 heaven on earth, and Solomon, son of the moon, 5.4, 9 code of completion. We are in the Omega point. This is the end into the beginning of the new golden age, eternal life, eternal light. We say infinite light, infinite life. So we have the Schumann's blackout, we have these major activations in the sun. So this is combination of these energies from the crystalline core mirrored back from the great central sun. We have the great central sun in the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, and then the central sun of the universe and the central sun of the multiverse. And these are all mirrors of each other. We say the still white magnetic light at the center of all things is God's source energy, creation itself and creator. You cannot separate. It's the one in the many and the many in the one. This is unity consciousness, what we're all experiencing here through these final days of the false 3D matrix as we navigate and transform this realm into the 5D creatrix of peace, abundance, and prosperity for all sentient beings of the way. So let us know in the comments what you're experiencing, what you're feeling. If you'd like to support our work, our mission, and help us continue bringing these updates to the world in our daily transmissions, you could either make a monthly pledge to our Patreon or one-time donation. All the links are at egolovecondor.com. Be sure to join us tonight for our full transmissions. We appreciate each and every one of you. Please comment, share this video, get these messages out to more of our people, our 144,000 earth angelics of the 144. Have a most beautiful, blessed day. Namaste.